Welcome to online session English. How are you all? I hope you're all fine and safe. Okay, so today we are going to see the topic a preposition. Okay, so what is preposition? A preposition is used with a noun or a pronoun to show how the person or thing denoted by the noun or pronoun stands in relation to something else as. Okay, for example, there is a cow in the garden. Okay, there is a cow in the garden. Here in is a preposition. Okay, the girl is fond of music, so of is a preposition. Another example, a fair little girl sat under a tree, so here sat is a preposition. So now tell me, what is preposition? A preposition is a word that is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relationship to other words in a sentence. Okay, so example, above, under, beside, outside, inside, on top of, in front of, behind, between, around, up and down, through, etc. There are a lot more words in preposition. Okay, now we'll see our portion. So for us, preposition of time, preposition of place, prepositions of movement, then since and far, then during and in. Okay, first we'll see the prepositions of time. Okay, so these prepositions are used to indicate, so preposition of time are used to indicate when a particular event happened. Okay, so prepositions of time are used to indicate when a particular event happened. Okay, ma. So these include in, on, at, since, for, during. Okay, so in, on, at, since, for, during, etc. So for example, for prepositions of time, first, I was studying in the evening. Okay, so in refers to prepositions of time. Next, he was born on the 30th of August. He was born on the 30th of August. So on is a preposition. Next, I will reach there at 9 o'clock. So at is a prepositions of time. Okay, next, prepositions of place. So what is prepositions of place? These prepositions are used to indicate the location and come before a noun or pronoun. Okay, so prepositions of place are used to indicate the location and come before a noun or pronoun. So these include in, on, between, behind, under, over, near, etc. Okay, so in, on, between, behind, under, over, near, a lot more words, etc. Okay, so for example, we'll see the example of prepositions of place. The cat is on the wall. The cat is on the wall. So on, it's a preposition. Next, Jenny lives near her workplace. Okay, Jenny lives near her workplace. So near refers to prepositions of a place. Raj is in his room. Okay, Raj is in his room. So here in refers to prepositions of a place, a preposition. Okay, next we'll see the prepositions of movement. Prepositions of movement. These prepositions are used to describe movement. Okay, so prepositions of movement are used to describe movement. Now these include to, into, towards, through, etc. Okay, to, into, towards, through, etc. For example, for prepositions of movement, I went to the shopping mall. Okay, I went to the shopping mall. Here to is a preposition. So to refers to prepositions of movement. Next, the swimmer jumped into the pool. Okay, example here into refers to prepositions of movement. Okay, next, the dog was coming towards him. The dog was coming towards him. So towards is the word refer for prepositions of movement. Okay, next, since and for. Since and for. What is the difference between since and for? Since refers to a particular point of time. Okay, since refers to a particular point of time. For refers to the duration of the time. Just keep that in your mind. Okay, since refers to a particular point of time. For refers to the duration of the time. Okay, for example, I have been studying since 5 a.m. and I am at it even now. Okay, so I have been studying since 5 a.m. It refers to a particular point of time. Okay, next, the construction of this building has been going on since February. Okay, the construction of this building has been going on since February. Okay, so next, for. What I said for refers to the duration of the time. Okay, since refers to a particular point of time. For refers to the duration of the time. Okay, for example, Maya has worked in this institution as an accountant for 23 years. Okay, as I said, no, for refers to the duration of the time. So here 23 years, it's a duration period. Okay, Maya has worked in this institution as an accountant for 23 years. Next, many ideas were discussed for 3 weeks before the annual day theme was finalized. Okay, next, during and in. During and in. Both during and in are used to describe action that happen in a particular period of time. Okay, both during and in are used to describe action that happen in a particular period of time. For example, we will be visiting my grandparents during the summer vacation. Okay, the same sentence will use for in. We will be visiting my grandparents during the summer vacation. Okay, so understood? Clear? Okay, ma. Thank you. Study well. Take care. Bye.